In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to manage access level in Canva. Managing access levels is important anytime you're collaborating with others on a design. It lets you decide exactly what people can do with your work, whether they're just viewing it, adding comments, or fully editing the design. In this walkthrough, I'll guide you through the basic steps so you stay in control of your content every time you share it. First, open the design in Canva that you want to share. Make sure you're in the correct file, and that any changes you want to keep are already saved. Once your design is ready, look toward the top right corner of your screen for the share button. This is usually highlighted, so it's easy to spot. Go ahead and click on share. When you click share, a panel or pop-up will appear. This is where you control who can access your design and what they're allowed to do. Take a moment to look over the options you see, because this is the central place for managing collaboration settings. Next, you'll want to find the option related to access level. Depending on your view, this might appear as a drop-down next to a person's name, or as a setting for the link you're generating. Look for something that mentions access, permission, or role. Click on that access level control. Now you'll see a list of different access choices you can select from. Typically, you'll have options like Viewer, which allows people to see the design but not change it. Commenter, which lets them leave feedback without editing, and Editor, which gives them full control to make changes. Carefully select the level that best fits what you want that person or anyone with the link to be able to do. If you're sharing with specific people, make sure you assign the right access level next to each person individually. If you're sharing via a link, double check that the link access is set correctly.